Hello everyone, I'm Joost van Dalen.
And I'm Rußwurm.
And today we're going to talk about SnapSnap Track, how we use satellites to monitor drifting litter.
Did you know that by 2040 we will have 50 kilograms of marine plastics for every meter coastline?
With SnapSnap Track, we will know the sources, where the litter came from, and the sinks, where it beaches for effective cleanup.
So there are many human-made and natural objects that float on the Earth's oceans, but where exactly?
Today, we have many satellites that can take pictures for us, and we have AI that can detect the objects in those images.
But when a satellite takes an image and we detect these marine litter objects, these detections are immediately outdated.
And this is the idea of SnapSnap Track. We use two satellites that pass the same location minutes apart.
So when we look at two images, one from PlanetScope and one from Sentinel-2, we can see the marine litter forming these long lines. And when we compare the location of the litter in both images, we can see that it has drifted.
And this happens every day over 2,000 times, with about 100 to 150 times over coastal areas.
So 100 to 150 times are a lot of intersections, but we need an automated algorithm to process that automatically. So that's what SnapSnap Track is doing. We will build a search module to look for satellite orbit intersections, and then a computer vision and AI processing pipeline to process the images and get drift directions from these images. Those will be stored in a database.
This database, in turn, will improve existing ocean models, which will then help better predict for drift models.
So we observe the drift in minutes from the satellite images and then have a more accurate forecast of the drift in the next hours and days.
And this is how SnapSnap Track will tell us where to clean our beaches to help reduce litter on each meter of coastline.
SnapSnap Track helps us to keep a closer eye on what's floating in our waters, one snapshot at a time.